Hello everybody, welcome back to TNGAU. Now last time we beat episode 2 and so this time we're gonna be jumping straight into episode 3 probably because that makes sense, you know. What do you do after episode 2? Episode 3, obviously. So, last time we beat the hell out of Tenchi, and we managed to complete, Team 9's little misadventures, their endeavors. So, I think I am gonna play episode 3 instead of any of the extra episodes. I just think that makes sense. I like the main story first and then like the side. Sorry about that. The side stories first. And also, I'm so excited to play this. I'm so excited to play this again. I haven't even uploaded the final part of episode 2 yet. I haven't even uploaded like the semi-final part yet. Like that's how like ready I am for this. So we've seen this before. Well, I have. You guys haven't seen it yet at the time of recording this. And Springtrap on the right, Reimu and Marisa on the left, and it seems like they're in the Five Nights at Fuckboy's Pizzeria. So, without further ado, let's start the main episode. The return. The return to the beginning, right? The return to beginning. Thanks to the machinations of Yukari Yakuma, the story has now shifted into another world. Play as Reimu and Co once again and abide Yukari's game. Beat that fucking shit out of the cameras. Play as Freddy and Co as they make their way to their night debauchery within the city. Play as Turner once again to clear the ghostly infection of the city. Play as Golden Freddy as he scours through the void and attempts to find a way home. 4 chapters, different places, 1 storyline, all are intertwined in the end. Do you wish to play this episode? Okay, this sounds like it's a big deal already. This sounds like it's gonna be way bigger than the previous 2 chapters like combined. But I may be wrong about that. Warning! Fear the graphics in this game may be harmful to those who suffer from epilepsy. Play at your own risk, you know. I don't mind getting copyrighted. No. We never log into Game Jolt in an active LP. PnFGaming, a shitty fan game made by PnFGaming. Touhou. 420. Touhou Gyoshoku, Nighter, Grinder, and Uncut. Year 2020X. Somewhere between time and space.
I'll fucking kill you if it's the last thing I do. I might not live to see a better day, but I'll at least take solace in the fact that you won't either.
This is the end of Act 3 of Five Nights at Fuckboys 3.
Inhale my fucking dome.
It is! In the midst of the final battle against Balloon Boy, Freddy Fuckboy is preparing his final move. Freddy felt the cry of the world's heart. Yeah, we've seen all this before. God, it's so weird. I haven't done this. I haven't played the regular Fuckboys in like so long. Oh. Top hat roulette, I guess. This propeller at the foe. I keep wasting that, sorry. Just slightly paranoid, I guess. Eat shit! I still remember this final battle though. It was so like emotional and like climactic. And it's not what you expected in a like Five Nights at Fuckboys in like a shitpost game such as Five Nights at Fuckboys either. Like what? Guard. Guard. Thankfully, this fan game seemed to reduce the number of times he like tosses the propeller at me or like slices me, which I'm pretty sure both of those reduce my HP to 1. Like, okay, spun wildly. That doesn't deal like that doesn't deal all my HP. It does half, but still. Guard. It's nice that we're faster than him.
Eat shit and die, enragement child. For the last
time, baby. Boom! Man. Five Nights at Fuckboys 3, what a game. I'm getting reminded of its glory even in a fan game of it. And thus, the final blow was dealt, and the enragement child perishes. The everlasting war between robot furries and enragement children comes to a conclusion. The fate of Freddy Fuckboy is uncertain. Some say it perished during the final battle. Others said that he is still alive, now wandering the rifts of time and space. Okay, if you were wondering why it cut out there, it's because my sister came into the room and took the phone that I was recording this in for like a few minutes, so yeah. Anyways, that was pretty bad timing, but I'm back now. Wherever he is now, I'm supposed to say wherever he is now, he will be remembered as the bastard who saved the fucking universe. Thanks to him, our world is safe. Everything is over.
There he is. Finally, we found him.
What?
This son of a bitch will be joining us for our cause. However, once this fucker outlived his usefulness, well, you know what to do. Understood?
Who's this? The return to beginning. This first episode is probably not going to be very long because I already have a bunch of other videos to upload and work on present day. Gensokyo. Bum bum. I recognize this music.
Oh man.
Hey guys.
Like, damn. That was one hell of a debauchery.
It was.
Best fucking night we ever had.
Yeah, that shit was pretty wild. We ended up partying all the way to Nuenzuka for whatever reasons. Nevertheless,
The hell?
it was thoroughly enjoyable.
Yeah. It was. So watching you, Sakuya. You and your precious item.
I had fun.
Well, I admit, it wasn't as shitty as I thought it would be. You did a decent job, I guess.
Okay, Reimu.
Now that I think about it, you enjoyed the party the most out of all of us.
Okay, so basically a tsundere.
I don't know what you mean by that shit.
Well, you were drinking an excessive amount of sake, and then you started screaming "fuck those Moria shrine bastards" and shit.
Of course she was.
Funny dance.
Hey, come on now. I was fucking drunk back there.
Sure you are.
Well, you were even more drunk than I was.
Oh, really now?
You did shoot Master Spark about a dozen times, all willy-nilly.
Ha ha ha. Guess I did.
The fuck? Imagine seeing that night just bro, like over and over again.
But
What the
what
hell?
Sophia did really takes the cake.
Oh god, what did Dio do?
But damn, you were pretty sick with the knife skills.
Never underestimate the fucking chief maid. Yeah, it was pretty sick.
Yeah.
That is nothing compared to when I did the thing with my ghost half.
What the? Please don't tell me you did the thing. You did the thing, didn't you? Yep, she did the thing.
What?
God damn it.
I would rather forget about that.
It was too kinky, even for me.
It was a horrible sight to behold.
For some what that that line read from the TTS voice actually kind of that was actually pretty natural. It was a horrible sight to behold.
Don't ever remind me of that fucking cancer.
Okay, in hindsight, I might have been a little too drunk.
You think?
Well, putting that aside, all that matters is that we have fun in the end.
Yes, agreed.
I guess.
Reimu was still being tsundere, I guess.
My, what an interesting conversation you're having here.
Is that you, Gari?
Yukari Akuma.
Ugh. Just fucking great. What do you want this time, Aztec?
I still remember when I fought you like a few months ago. That was an annoying battle.
Oh, not much. I'm just here to tell you something important.
What is
What?
it? See, me and Reimu. Now that I'm back to Reimu, I'm no longer Cerno. I'm my soul is now interlinked with Reimu.
I'm happy to tell you that I've stolen your empty donation box.
What?
If you want it back, well, you better catch up.
You fucking piece of shit.
Oh, you
Let's
do not.
go with my donation box.
You do not steal her donation box and get away with it, Yukari. Oh, hey, look, it's, I have... Wait, do I... True Hakure Amulet, Ultimate Mini Hakuro. Unfortunately, I don't have the things from Makai, I don't think. These are not the weapons from Makai, I'm pretty sure. Wait, what did that say? 22. 0 out of 22, okay. 50. File 50, I guess. Here we go. A brand new adventure. Come here! Come back here, motherfucker!
Better hurry up, Reimu.
You're not getting away. There she is. I mean, there's her gap, at least. Get over here! I've already spent like 30 minutes
That
just
bastard
because
fled through her gap.
I had to like sit there awkwardly staring at the screen while my sister was doing stuff on the phone. Anyways,
We are going after her.
Bruh, do you really want to go in there?
what if it's a trap, Reimu?
What if we end up in that place with those creepy eyes again?
I don't give a shit. I'm not letting that old hag get away.
Alright, whatever you say.
Yeah.
I'm coming for you, Yukari. You dirty piece of fucking shit.
Oh, Cerno!
What in the fucking fuck is this shit?
How many fucks do you have to say in one fucking sentence? I even said fuck. I'm sorry. Year 1990X. Freddy Fuckboy's Pizza. This is like an official, like, not an official, but like a crossover between the two universes, I guess.
I fucking did it. Eat my shit. Yes. I have shat on every camera in this establishment. The ever so desired night of debauchery draws near.
God, what? It's so
I
jarring.
can almost feel it in my bones.
You don't have bones, but you have like animatronic joints, I guess. But God, it feels so jarring switching between the two different styles like this.
Metallic limbs to be exact.
Metallic bones.
Just hurry the fuck up and fucking get on with it already, you fucking shitlord.
You see, that's what I wanted more of out of like the original fuckboys. I wanted the crew to talk to each other more.
Okay, rude. I was having a moment. Anyway, the only thing left to do now is to beat the living hell out of the inevitable final boss. To the office shall we go?
Am I playing as Freddy and friends? Yes, I am. Okay, so Freddy, animatronic bear. Bonnie, animatronic bunny. Chica, animatronic chicken. Animatronic fox is Foxy. Wait, so Freddy and... We have like a bunch of guitars for like Bonnie's Guitar Smash, I guess. So... Did they rework Guitar Smash? It costs 60 TP, but it doesn't get rid of all my guitars now. It only removes one of each guitar. Makes an enemy feel pain. Yeah, some of these skills are different. I swear to you. Freddy's does medium damage repeatedly. I think that's different as well, but I'm not 100% sure. Gets weaker the more HP Foxy loses. Okay, that's definitely different. Can I talk to Enragement Child? It's so weird, dude. Like, seriously. I'm just not gonna question it.
I can't believe the camera is fucking dead.
I remember that.
I procured a sufficient amount of items needed for the final boss. No need to converse with the Enragement Child any further.
Okay, if you say so, Freddy. Can I go back here?
No.
Okay. Let's go into the office and fight Golden Freddy.
You should represent him to invite me to unite debauchery and writing in protest.
I remember this battle. Do we actually have to fight him?
Oh shit.
He comes. No, we don't. We don't.
What the fucking shit is that?
Hit the deck.
Ah, is that was that Reimu and Co? Was that them?
Fuck.
Is
That
this?
hurts.
It is them.
Well, not exactly my worst landing.
God, this is Avengers Endgame is the most ambitious crossover. TNGAU, hold my fucking beer.
But it could have gone better.
God, why did we have to fall down? Stupid fucking gap.
Wait, where's Sikia?
You're all standing on her. I just noticed that.
Would you girls get off me already? It's getting heavy.
Oh, there you are.
You only just now realized, Marisa. Great.
Well, now that we're out of that fiasco, let's assess our current situation.
Oh, this is kind of a... What did you even get yourselves into?
Where exactly are we?
The outside world.
I don't know. This is a little too fucking retro to be the outside world.
Girls. There's a bunch of weird yokai right in front of us.
They still think they're yokai. Like they thought that they thought that Golden Freddy was a yokai in like episode 1. Here in episode 3, they still think that the other animatronics are yokais.
What in the goddamn fuck?
Well, might as well try to ask these sons of bitches. Hey yokais, do you know where we are? Is this the outside world?
What the fuck is a yokai?
Bonnie, you're. It's been a while since I've heard your voice.
Hey, isn't that...
You. Oh, I get it. You're trying to fuck us up for beating you up that night.
Oh, so it is canon that we beat up Golden Freddy in episode 1. All right.
Right. Seems like you still need to be taught a lesson. This time, I'll shut you down for good.
I'm sorry, but I think you mistook me for someone else.
But since this is like maybe this is like a Golden Freddy from the past or something, he probably doesn't remember.
I don't think we...
Prepare to get your ass blasted. Again.
Oh, Golden Freddy enters the fight. Omega Party Hat enters the fight. Are we doing this again? Grey Amulet. God, this is so weird. We're fighting. It's the Golden Freddy battle, but in TNGAU. What? This Golden Bear thing again. Wait, he doesn't recognize Reimu Go? Something's not right here. Something's definitely not right. And also, I can't see. I like that detail. Hang on, I'm gonna pause that. I like the detail that I can't see their HP, just like in the original 5 Minutes of Fuckboys. I like that. Well, I don't, because now that means I can't see their HP, but I like the attention to detail at least. Oh. He doesn't have that much HP. Rip Golden Shitlord. Again.
Get good. Now then, time to find Yukari.
You know, that guy wasn't really our main concern.
Bitch. I'm not taking any chances.
Well, whatever. Let's just find that hag and get the hell out of here, wherever this is.
They must be hella confused.
Ready. Who in the hell are those anime girls?
Oh no, Bonnie, they're... The Touhous think that the animatronics are yokais. The animatronics think that the Touhous are anime girls. Of course.
I don't know.
Where the hell do they come from?
I don't fucking know. Stop asking me these questions I don't have an answer to, for fuck's sakes. But I feel like this is a herald of what's to come. It's possible that the very fabric of time and space itself is currently shattering to pieces as we know it.
He's probably not far off. That's the weird thing. Chica, say the line. Yes! She said the thing! Whoa! It's been a while since I've heard that.
There's no use hiding.
So I'm gonna bet like 1 million pesos with to my future self that I am definitely gonna name this episode. Are you ready for Reimu?
Show yourself, Yukari.
Of course, if I'm watching this in the past, I could just not name it that, but and gain 1 million pesos from my past self, but that's never gonna happen, right? God, what I just said is so dumb. Never forget what I said. Hello. Grandma Yukari.
Ah, Reimu. Took you long enough.
Now, return my fucking donation box immediately. Or else.
Oh, Reimu. Can't little old me tease you just for a bit?
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Ha ha ha.
She's
You
mad.
sure do look pissed. Don't you fret. I'll return that trash box to you in due time.
Trash box.
Trash box.
Now, it's time we play a little game.
What? Again?
Yes.
I swear to fucking God if it involves another timer.
Ha ha. You'll be happy that it isn't. The game is pretty simple.
By simple, you mean it's not.
It's probably not gonna be simple. It's Yukari, for fuck's sake.
Ha ha ha. Oh, your sarcasm never ceased to amuse me.
What is this game you're speaking of?
Do you see these antique-looking security cameras?
Do we have to beat them up? Is that what we're gonna have to do?
Well, yeah.
That robot bear you saw earlier shat on them. With the help of a little something from Ayante, I was able to spring them back to life. Now, getting to the point. Your main goal in this game is to shit on these cameras.
Huh. That doesn't seem too bad.
The catch is that these cameras, as well as those hats, are now tough as a brick.
Huh.
You were saying?
And the best part? It doesn't get easier. Sounds fun, doesn't it?
I question your definition of fun.
Me too, Yomu, me too.
Oh, by the way, I'm taking away the tokens you got earlier to prevent cheating.
No! God damn it.
I'll leave you with this much.
Took 2,097 tokens from you, leaving you with a mere 50.
Sounds fair, doesn't it? Now, I must take my leave. I have other business to attend to.
Hey, hold the fuck up. Where exactly are we? Is this the outside world?
Well, yes. But actually, no.
Up, she said the meme. Well, yes, but actually no.
Huh?
You'll know soon enough, dear. Good luck, Reimu. You're going to need it.
Bye, Yukari.
Well, I guess we're stuck here for a while. Still don't know where this is. But one thing's for certain. This ain't Gansokyo anymore.
Nope, it definitely
Bullshit.
isn't.
Let's just try to win her stupid game. But once I'm done with this bullshit, I'm gonna fucking destroy her. And then destroy her again after she respawns.
Damn, Reimu is pissed, dude. Chapter, what's Plants vs. Zombies music? Are you serious? Unfamiliar place. During this episode, bonus boss defeat counters, as well as certain special items you can obtain in this chapter, are globally saved for every save file and such or future playthroughs. Huh. That's good to know, question mark? I'll save over 551. Then...
This contraption. I think I've seen one of these things in the Kappa's lair. Wonder what they do. Still, those sleazy bastards are better off making this than a sex toy.
You're still going on about that.
I was gonna say that, Reimu, but yeah, she's still talking about that?
Yes.
Let's just get back on track already.
So I can't use the vending machine, that's kinda sad.
I'm staying the fuck away from that table. It's giving an evil spirit vibe.
Well, I mean, it is where Freddy worships the Dark Lord Satan, so you are... Oh! Oh, this music! I'm getting nostalgic, dude! It's been so long since I've... It's been so long since I've heard this from the original Fuckboys. Living, breathing party hats. Yep. Yep, indeed. Bombs and clockwork. How much damage did it take? Marisa can kill them in like one move. Do they drop anything? Is the question. Memory card. Still don't know what he is. Who even made these party hats Tsukumogami? Wait, is it even a Tsukumogami at all? No. I don't know what a memory card is. Let's let's see what it is, shall we? I'll save before I interact with it. Nothing happens. Appears to contain the memory of its owner, but who? The Plants vs. Zombies music is putting me off, but okay. Also, the currency changed from yen to tokens. That's pretty cool. Q. Q, what are you doing here? Voice crack.
That's one hell of a poster, alright.
I've been wondering, why are we always remarking on random shit like this?
Because, my dear Yamu, it's the player's choice.
Okay, fourth wall break-in.
What?
Thanks for that, Marisa. Anyways. It still works. His collection.
Oh dear.
Well, isn't this thing adorable?
How in the hell can you find this adorable?
Because it is.
Okay, Yomu.
Fucking seriously.
That's kind of weird. Anyways, Q, what are you even doing here? I'm saving like crazy right now, but I don't care.
Hello, friend. Good to see you safe. For the most part.
Hey, you're that girl from the village. If I recall, you're...
Okay.
Q.
Yeah, that. How the fuck did you end up here?
That's not important right now. What is important is for you girls to survive and get back home. And to ensure that, I will provide my assistance. I will be selling you these items I have obtained from Corindo.
Okay, so it's the shop,
In
alright.
addition, I have also got my hands on some skill cards. Since you're currently unable to level up beyond 20, this will definitely come in handy.
Neat.
Currently? Does that mean I'm going to be able to level up later?
Think nothing of it.
Skill cards, as mentioned by Q, you're unable to level up beyond 20. As such, this is currently the only way to update new skills. To use a skill card, select it from the item menu, and the characters corresponding to the card will learn a new skill. More skill cards will become available as you progress. Ah, look at that! It's it's the Walfus. A Q on the left there. There's only super sweet dongos and sweet teas. I can't buy the cheaper things, unfortunately. But the items are there, right there. Skill card 1, Reimu. Skill card 2, Reimu. Wait. Okay, skill card 1, Reimu allows Reimu to learn Amulet Trap, Gohei Toss, allows Marisa to learn Broom Smash, Flyby, allows Yomu to learn Phantasm Mana, more Phantasm skills, Phantasm State. However, I noticed that all of Yomu's skills begin with Phantasm. Sakuya allows Sakuya to learn Knife Break and Knife Spread. Hang on. 60 times 4 is 60, 120, 180, 240. As such, I should have enough to buy all of these and see what they do. And then I'm probably gonna fight one camera and then end the episode.
The scroll of records is currently acting up. It can still record data of your adversaries. But since you end up in a completely different world, the data might be scarce at best. And the questionable mini-map is completely overwritten by the mini-map of this establishment. So I'm afraid it's all you have to rely on.
Alright.
That's a bummer.
One more thing. I will provide you with my usual hints and tips. as per usual. With all of that being said, I wish you a good luck, but most importantly,
What?
get good.
Okay.
Thanks, I guess.
Thanks, Q. Alright, let's learn things. Activates the skill card. Learns amulet seal. Okay, let's get everybody to learn all their skills. And then we're gonna fight the first camera on the stage. And then we're gonna end up the episode there. Man, this is turning out to be pretty like big already. Okay, go this. Sakuya. Boom. Alright. Amulet trap. Reimu sets a trap underneath all enemies, triggers, and explodes after 3 turns. Huh, I've never seen a move like that ever, like in any Fuckboys game. That's cool. Gohei toss. Reimu tosses her Gohei at the enemy, deals huge damage, hits 5 times. It's amulet toss, but she throws her Gohei instead. Her purification rod. Alright. Broom smash. Okay, remember broom dash. And now broom smash. Marisa smashes the target with her broom, decreases magic defense by 15% for 4 turns. And flyby. Marisa flies around her allies, increases speed and evasion by 50%, lasts 5 turns. Cool. Phantasm mana. Yomu's ghostly half recovers 50% mana for a party member. It's Wriggle's like move, but not as good. Alright. Phantasm state. Yomu's ghostly half removes all negative ailments from her ally. Nice! You see, that's a move that I would have liked on Chica in the original. Just to make her the ultimate like support, because her like fearless flight ability, her fearless flight skill is kind of useless in those games. Not just in Fuckboys 1, but in like every game that she appears in. That she's like playable in. Knife break. Sakuya throws a knife at the enemy, damage rate increases each turn. Nice. Knife spread. Sakuya throws knives in an area. My god, I can't speak. Sakuya throws knives in an area can inflict halting ailments. Okay. Let's do this shit? Question mark? Okay.
So all we have to do is fuck it up. Shouldn't be too different from what we did last night. Now then, engage the camera, motherfucker.
Is it gonna show the stars? No, it still shows the yin yang orbs. Show stage camera Redux enters the fight.
Ah, it feels good to be alive.
Oh god, they can talk now! Alrighty then. You know what, let's use our new skills. Clockwork, probably. Let's use... what is this music? What the fuck? Let's use the scroll records. Living, breathing security cameras. It got weirder. Doesn't seem like it's... It doesn't seem like it's immune to anything. But this music is seriously putting me off, but okay. Nice, Yomu. Sets a trap. Homing Hakuri amulet. Broom smash. Boom. Knife spread. Nice, that's pretty good. Loses balance, great. I can't use Gohei Toss. Damn it. That knife break. That doesn't deal 2 damage on the first turn, but it increases damage every time I use it, so... Kaboom! Nice trap. Luminary laser, go! Knife break. Spewed smoke. Okay, Reimu became blind. That's not good. Burn everything. Get rid of her blindness. Thank you very much. Nice spread. He's paralyzed and binded. Good. And poisoned. Okay, we should be able to do this. Broom smash. That's pretty good. This should finish him. Yep. Goodbye, camera. Ta 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 ta. Pop pop pop.
I
Fucking did it. Taste my divine shit.
Yep. It still sucks.
Shut.
Okay. Alright, so that's gonna be it for DNGAU episode 2. Nope, episode 3. And in the next episode, we're gonna do some more. We're gonna do some more camera shitting and exploring some more of the pizzeria. So yeah, I hope that we can see each other until then. Peace out.